Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use color widgets on iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the App Store and download the app called Color Widgets. It's free, and once you've downloaded it, you want to open it, and then here there's a wide array of widgets, customizable widgets that you can select. There's also icons, different designs of icons, and then there are themes, which are icons, widgets, and backgrounds combined together, which you can apply to your iPhone. So to add a widget, you want to go over to the widget you like, then you want to press it, then you want to press set widget. And then on your home screen, you want to hold and press until it jiggles, and then press the plus. Then as you can see, you want to press search color widgets, and then the one that you added will be here. So you just have to choose the size of it. Then you want to press add widget. And as you can see, it is now on your screen. So if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe.